Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.